Hi guys! Welcome back to another Adobe Illustrator tutorial. Today we will learn how to draw a tree stump with Adobe Illustrator. This is beginner tutorial and you can easy to follow. So, without further ado, let's get started. Document size 1000 pixel width and 1000 pixel height. Press A, Direct Selection tool, select bottom left point and move it few times. Press Shift and C, Anchor Point tool, then click and drag the line segment to make it rounded. Press plus, Add Anchor Point tool, to add random point to the bottom line. Now move the point, add more point and make it like roots. Now make it rounded. Press eyedropper tool, and click box to make the stump have similar style. Let's draw X. Duplicate it and go to Object, Transform, Reflect and choose Horizontal. Select both object and merge it with Pathfinder, Unite. Remove this point. Press minus, delete anchor point tool, and click point you want to remove. Select both object and press Shift and M, Shape Builder tool, to join or cut shape. Press Alt on Windows or Option on Mac and you will see the cursor change to minus symbol. Now click the part you want to remove. Use Pen tool and draw the handle. Send it to the back with Ctrl and left square bracket on Windows or Command and left square bracket on Mac. Use Ctrl and right square bracket on Windows or Command and right square bracket on Mac if you want to send it to the front. Duplicate the axe just in case. We need to remove this part to make it look like the axe stuck in the stump. Use Paintbrush tool to draw another route. Select both end of the line and press Ctrl and J on Windows or Command and J on Mac to join the line. Change brush definition to basic. Use Smooth tool to make it smoother. It's time to decorate our stump. Remove the line. Duplicate the wooden stick with Ctrl and C, then Ctrl and F on Windows, or Command and C then Command and F on Mac. We use Ctrl and F to paste it precisely on the top of the current object. As you can see, we have two ellipse objects stack each other. Add some point. Press Shift and C, Anchor Point tool. You can select the line segment and press Delete. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path and fill it with -10 pixel. Reduce the opacity into 70%.